When you see these gigantic ships for the first time, one question immediately comes to mind. How can a massive structure made of steel, carrying thousands of tons of cargo, simply float on the surface of the ocean? Why don't they sink? And what scientific secret allows these enormous ocean giants to travel across the world's seas for thousands of kilometers? Modern ships are among the greatest engineering achievements ever created by humans. Some container ships today can reach more than 400 meters in length. That's longer than 4 football fields placed end to end. Their total weight can exceed 200,000 tons when fully loaded. These gigantic vessels carry thousands of containers filled with goods, transporting products between continents. In fact, more than 90% of global trade travels across the oceans by ship. But the question that fascinates many people is simple. How do these enormous ships not sink? The answer lies in a fundamental scientific principle discovered more than 2,000 years ago by the Greek scientist Archimedes. Archimedes' principle states that any object placed in water experiences an upward force equal to the weight of the water it displaces. In simpler terms, when a ship enters the water, it pushes a large volume of water out of the way. If the weight of the displaced water is equal to or greater than the weight of the ship will float. But weight alone is not the only factor. The secret is also in the design. Ships are not solid blocks of steel. Inside the vessel, there are large hollow spaces filled with air. This means the overall density of the ship is lower than the density of water. And that is why a massive steel structure can remain floating on the ocean. Over the years, naval engineers have developed incredibly advanced ship designs. Every detail is carefully calculated. The width of the ship, its depth in the water, how cargo is distributed, and even the shape of the bow. All these elements work together to ensure stability and balance even in rough ocean conditions. However, the ocean remains one of the most powerful forces on Earth. Massive waves and violent storms can challenge even the strongest ships. Yet thanks to modern engineering and the laws of physics that govern buoyancy, these steel giants continue to cross the world's oceans every single day. So the next time you see a gigantic ship crossing the sea, remember that behind this simple scene lies an extraordinary combination of science and engineering. A powerful blend of physics, intelligent design, and human innovation that allows these enormous steel giants to float effortlessly on the surface of the ocean.